Casa A by Wahana Architects in Jakarta, Indonesia. This is a residential project located in the midst of an urban housing complex. Casa A was built on an area of 700 square meters, with a total building area of 956 square meters. The client specifically chose this site because of the lush existing trees and green area. Inspiration arose when conducting a dialogue with the client at the beginning of the project. It was an illustration about a man who lives inside a dark cave so that nature in the brighter area outside the cave becomes the main actor, from the inside. In another story, the client is a family with 2 children with a modern lifestyle. Each family member has distinctive hobbies. However, in their previous house, there is a space where they love spending time together or even doing their own activity. We carefully preserve this spirit of family intimacy and translate it into design layout, scale, materials, and details when designing this project so this house could be a warm shelter for this family.